Hey, what's going on? Hey, welcome. Now, easy. We're trying to here to pay your bills. No resume, no experience needed. You could do this straight from where you at right now. All right. And I'm doing this video from my phone, so check it out. You're gonna come to this site, Level Rewards. Level Rewards is real easy, real simple. All we do is help with these pretty much Fortune 500 companies that you see right here: GoDaddy, Hulu, McAfee, Target. Pretty much you view advertisers offers. Um, we got Facebook proof, complete an offer, free or cheap, and we do it for free. No need to pay no money because we're here to make money. And each level increases you earning potential. You go from no money, $50 to $150. We do this pretty much daily, easy on your phone. You can share your link, social media. The more you and your referrals level up, the more you earn, and this pretty much just works like that. And it's real simple. Start leveling up, join us. We got ultimate training. So I'm already in a part of it. So this is what you're gonna do. When you click the link, you're gonna go ahead and go to your sign up page. Go ahead and log in, and you see right here I'm already at level 10. You get paid each level times 5. I'm at level 10, so I can get paid up to $50 each time. And right now we got a special. If any of y'all sign up, get to level 5, you will get a bonus level which will put you automatically on level 10. So anyway, when you get here, we want everybody to do a background check. That's what I suggest everybody do. So when you go here, you're gonna sign up. You're going to look at these offers. When you look at these offers, go down here, and this is what you want to do. Each level pays you by 5. So you want to go here and go to click your scores. Click your scores is free, and it's a credit value of 2. So 2 times 5 is 10. So each person that you bring, that you show this to, you're going to get $10. Now, if you did this offer, which was 1, you're only going to get paid $5, and it's free too. So you could do both of these and be on level 3, and then each person you bring in, you'll get paid up to $15. So whatever level you're on, you get paid that level times 5. So if you do this one and this one, you'll be on level 3, which means you'll make $15. So if you sign somebody up and all they do is this, click your scores, you'll get paid $10. If they do this, you'll get paid another $5, and if they do this offer right here, this will put them at like level 7, 7.5. You won't get paid for them other 4 levels because you're not there yet. But that's pretty much how it works. And hold up, what's going on here? All right, yeah, just refresh it real quick. Like I said, we tell everybody go ahead and do this one to get started for free, and then you get payments. You see right here, $90, $50, $10. So it's real easy. We got ultimate support. You can submit a support ticket. Your profile will show you everything. You go through your profile, set that up. Like say you go first, but first thing you need to do is go to your offers. You want to go to your offers, and you want to do click your scores to get started for free. All right. This right here is all the signups that I got coming. So that's already good. You always want to get these signups, and it's real easy from the training that we got. And you'll also get 2 landing pages. You'll have this one right here, this landing page. You'll have the sign up page. You'll also get two third landing pages. This right here, you probably might have saw this one right here when you clicked. This is a good one. This will take you to the training. And you also have this one right here, which is a good one. And both of them, they explain about the company, let you know what's going on and how you get paid. A whole bunch of facts and questions that you'll have. So if you're already here, all you need to do is go ahead and click on your offers, because you got to do one offer to get fully activated so you can start making money. Do the click your scores because it's free. It puts you on level 2. Or do the e-voice if you don't you're going through the same amount of trouble, so you might as well do one that's going to give you the most. This will give you 1 credit. You only make $5. You can make more with the $2 one, or you can do any one of these you want. Now you got to at least do one offer that's going to at least be 1 credit, at least 1 credit. So you could do all these other ones right here. This one right here, Windshield Lending, you do this one, you'll be on level 6. This Nestle Rewards 1, but it takes 1 or 2 days for the credit to go through. You want to do something that's quick and instant and at least going to be 1 credit, preferably 2 credits like the one I'm showing you to do. So go ahead, click the link, sign up, get started, and go to the training. And let's get you this money, man. Let's get your bills paid. Y'all take it easy.